Do you need to remove or edit text in an image without losing quality? Many online tools claim to edit images instantly, but the result is often disappointing. Fonts don't match, backgrounds become blurry, textures get damaged, and the final image looks obviously edited. That's where we come in. We provide professional document and image editing services with pixel-level precision in Photoshop. Whether you need to remove text from an image, replace existing text, correct information, or customize a document, we ensure that every detail remains clean, natural, and professional. We work with a wide range of file formats, including JPEG, PNG, TIFF, SVG, PDF, DocX, XLSX, PPT, scanned documents, photocopies, folded papers, and even watermark-protected files. Our expertise goes beyond simple text replacement. We carefully match fonts, preserve textures, maintain original alignment, recreate backgrounds, and ensure that edited areas blend perfectly with the rest of the document or image. Need to change a name, address, date, phone number, or other text? We can help. Need to update signatures, photos, business cards, invoices, resumes, proposals, presentations, or other documents? We've got you covered. Unlike automated editing tools, we focus on maintaining the original appearance and quality of your files. Our goal is to make every edit look seamless and professional. Choose the package that fits your needs. Basic package, only $10. Standard package, $20. Premium package, $30. With every order, you'll receive fast delivery, confidential handling of your files, 24/7 customer support, and even a live demo when needed. Our process is simple. Contact us, send your instructions, receive a quotation, complete the payment, and get your professionally edited files delivered quickly and securely. We accept multiple payment methods, including crypto, PayPal, Wise, Western Union, Remitly, Zoom, bank transfer, and cards. If you're looking for professional text removal and text editing in images while preserving original quality, contact us today.